Hey everybody, welcome to the next video in the Amazon Associate series, the free online course you find here on my YouTube channel that is designed to turn you into a high-performing Amazon Associate. In the last video, I promised I would show you how to actually get a promotion from your Amazon Associates account, or go to Amazon and pick a product you'd like to sell for a commission and actually embed that on your website. So as you'll see at the top of my screen, I have 3 tabs open. The first one is the Promotions and Bounties tab inside my Amazon Associate account. The second one is actually a blog post on my website that I'm going to use to embed the affiliate links today. And the third one is the back end of my website where I will actually embed the code, the JavaScript or the iframe that I want to use for the Amazon Association. So let's get started, guys. Once you pop into your Amazon Associates account, go to Promotions and click on Featured Promotions, and you'll come to a page that looks like this. Now, the current promotions will look a lot different to the ones that you may see in the next few weeks or months or years. It does actually change quite a lot. So I'm just going to pick a random one. At the top you'll see here there's Featured Promotions. You can search all promotions, the Set and Forget promotions, Special Bounties, and finally over here you will see recommendations for you. Usually these recommendations are made based on what products you're currently selling for Amazon and earning commission from. Okay, so let's go and pick a random one. How about the Echo Dot up here at the top of the screen? As you can see, we can click on it to go to the product page, or we can simply get the Amazon Associate link for it, or we can get the banner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the banner, and I'm going to put this in the sidebar of my website. So over here you'll see my sidebar. There's a good few different things going on there, and just here before it says subscribe to the channel, I'll probably pop it in right there because the others actually scroll with the page. Okay, so I'm going to click on get the banner. And as I explained in the last video, there are different shapes and sizes that you can use. The only danger with using these is that if you pick a very tall banner or a very wide banner and someone's actually reading your blog on their mobile device, it can look kind of clunky or get in the way of other buttons and things like that. So I don't recommend that. I always recommend the responsive option. So just to be sure I have selected the responsive option, I'll click responsive. I come to this page where you can see all the different shapes and sizes that you might need, but this one is actually the responsive one. So I just click, I will copy. I will go to the back end of my website. Now, depending on what CMS you're using, it might look a little bit different. I'm using WordPress, and in WordPress, all you need to do is go to Appearance, Widgets, click on Custom HTML, put it in the sidebar, and then actually pop it in here. So yes, you just press save then. And as I said, I want to put it just before the last 2 other items on my sidebar. So I'm just going to click that and drag it up over to. That's fine. I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to refresh the page. And as you can see, there is now a big space here. The reason there is a big space here and that these are pushed down is because this is where it's going to go. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be this tall, but it is responsive. As I'm using a desktop, that's the reason it is tall. So it's making use of all of the real estate and space it has. The reason it's blank at the moment is because it just takes a few moments for your website to propagate exactly what it is and to display it correctly. And so to move on to the next part of the video is to show you exactly how to go to Amazon.com, pick any random product that you want to link to, let's say for example under a YouTube video or behind an image on your blog or anywhere you like really. What you need to do obviously is go to Amazon.com. I just typed in baseball bat just as an example, and I'm going to click the first one I see here. It's actually Amazon's choice. And because I'm actually logged into my Amazon Associates account at the same time, you'll see there is an Amazon Associates site stripe right here at the top of the page. So this stripe changes on every single page that you go to, and it gives you an option here to get the text link. You can get an image link, or you can get a text and image. So I'm just going to show you what a text looks like. Just click text, and then you simply have to copy that, put that anywhere you want, and that will work as an associate link. Or you can go to image, and you can pick a small, a medium, or a large image, and you can copy the HTML below, and you can put that into your website, and it will display that image, and once clicked, it does become an associate link. Or you can go for the mixture, which is very common, and you'll see this all over different websites that you might visit. That's the text and image version. So this looks quite familiar. At the bottom, you can of course copy the code as it is, or you can decide to take the border off it and make it look like that. It's a little bit more minimalist, but it is up to yourself depending on your own site design. Or you can leave it on. I'll leave it on. You can choose then to have it open in a new tab once you click, which I always recommend, because if people are on your website reading your blog post and they just want to go and check the price of something, for example, make sure that when they click it, it opens a new tab so that they don't actually leave your website, because that will affect your bounce rate. And they'll forget where they were and they'll go to some other website and use their affiliate link. So keep people on your site. Use these affiliate links to open in a new tab if you can. You just have to copy that HTML and put it into your website. If you want to put it in the sidebar of your blog post using WordPress, you can do as I did earlier, or you can simply put it into the bottom of a blog post and it will show up there. Of course, that all depends on your CMS, maybe Wix, maybe Blogger, maybe Drupal, or maybe WordPress. They all work in different ways as to how you actually embed code, but that doesn't affect the Amazon Associates links or HTML as long as they are in there. If you're not sure how to do it on your own CMS, leave a comment below and I will show you how to do it regardless of what platform you're using, or you can do a quick search on YouTube. I'm sure there are multiple videos related to your exact system that will show you how to embed HTML. Okay guys, so I know that was a very quick video, but the reason for that is because it is quite simple, as you can now see. Please don't forget, this video is part of a playlist that is a full free Amazon Associates course. It is a playlist on my YouTube channel, so simply head on over to the YouTube channel and you can watch it from start to finish, how to become an Amazon Associate, how to set everything up, and then of course how to start driving traffic and sales. If you have a spare millisecond, please do click the like button. If you happen to be very fortunate and have another millisecond, please do subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with everything to do with this course and everything else we do here on the Nighttime Entrepreneur channel, helping you to build your online business and your online empire by night. See you in the next video.
Learn it all from the Nighttime Entrepreneur as you transition away from the 9-to-5 life and escape into freedom. Join us and subscribe.